If you desire an all 5-star service, an experience staying in a luxury hotel is the perfect way to sample the lifestyle of the rich, featuring stunning architecture, world-class amenities and fine dining. Luxury hotels offer. Number 5. Atlantis Paradise Island. Atlantis Paradise Island features the world's largest open-air marine habitat. Aquaventure, a 141-acre water park including the iconic Mayan temple's Leap of Faith slide, 11 incredible pools and 5 miles of magnificent beaches. Atlantis is the only full-service resort with the medical laboratory, research and holding capacity of an independent marine life facility dedicated to conservation, rehabilitation and education. Number 4. Western Excelsior. Number 4. Western Excelsior. A perfect luxury at the same time pocket-friendly combo containing 281 rooms and 35 lavishly decorated suites for per night. Room costs $511 and suites cost $1,100. Situating in Rome, this was first built in 1906. It has the largest suite in Italy. The decoration is a fusion of ancient tradition with the touch of modern technology. The domes look like cathedrals. Number 3. Titanic Martin Palace. The largest swimming pool of 5 acres. Adorned with delicious seafoods and 4 sunken aquariums that contains about 3,000 fish make this hotel of Turkey one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. The costing of this hotel is near about $1.4 billion. It has a luxurious beach which 900 tons of sand was imported from Egypt. It has a giant-size spa which is 12,000 square feet. The Number 2. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is a luxurious hotel which is situated in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The name of the hotel in Arabic can be directly translated to Tower of the Arabs. This is one of the tallest hotels in the world and ranks on the 5th spot of that list currently. The shape of this hotel was designed in such a way. Number 1. Emirates Palace. Visiting this hotel can be the best option to get rid of tiresome life, as this hotel is a multi-flavored place where you will feel yourselves no less than a royal persona. The white sand beach has been always one of the most attractive parts for the clients. The total cost that the government of Abu Dhabi has to pay to create this photographed beauty of this hotel is around $3.9 billion. The hotel includes